Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Malinee from Malinee Satish channel. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite Thai dessert called Kanom Krok. This dessert bring back my childhood memories. If you are interested, please keep watching.
Kanom Krok has two parts, the base and the filling. We're gonna start with the base. Use dry flour 150 grams. Use cooked rice 150 grams as well. Add 3 cups of LIMEWATER or water. Add 6 tablespoons of glutenous rice flour. Add 150 grams of dry coconut. Add 150 cc of coconut milk. Add 90 grams of palm sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Add 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Then we're gonna blend them together. After that, we're gonna make the filling. Start with 300 cc of coconut milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar or any substitute. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add 3 tablespoons of rice flour and stir them together. Now we get all the ingredients that we need. Let's cook it. I'm gonna use my barbecue stove because my gas stove is not wide enough or big enough. Use medium heat and apply a thin layer of coconut oil. Once the pan is hot, we're gonna start pouring in the main part or the body part. We will fill 80% of the holes with the blend ingredient. We will immediately fill the rest of the holes with the second ingredient. Lastly, we will put topping on top of it. Today I use green onion. Then close the lid and bake it for about 5 to 8 minutes or until the edge is golden brown. Use a thin piece of metal to take it out. Start from around the edge. If the pan is seasoned well, it will come out easily. The key to cook it is to use low heat. The heat pattern that we get from barbecue stove is just like the heat that we get from the charcoal stove. Don't use gas stove that the flame is touching with the pan directly.